Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Class, we'll do geography today. Be ready with your geography book.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Who is this dot 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 dot?
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I send my work?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Do we have? Okay. There was somebody with squares. No name was written. Chalo, okay. I think that person has left the meeting. It is completely fine. Beta, are you all ready with your geography books? We'll be continuing with geography chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How is Sanya feeling now?
Ma'am, well.
Better? बेटा ये
Yes,
कौन
ma'am.
है squares कौन है please?
Ma'am, unknown people who came to disturb.
हाँ Vivan, is this you?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये अपना नाम क्यों नहीं लिख रहे हैं आप इधर? हाँ Vivan? Vivan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Beta, you are supposed to take entry with your name written properly, right?
Okay.
Fine. Chirag Gangwar,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you feeling now?
Ma'am, now better.
Okay. One thing I was a little concerned about this. This is especially for 10th B students because I am the class teacher of 10th B. And for others also, if you feel you can do this, you do it. See, if you have any problems, like just now somebody called me, said that, ma'am, my data pack is over. So I told him that, beta, you can write this as a message so that I can forward it to the principal. So any kind of issues like you are unwell, you are having problems with the network, you people can always write it to me. I will forward this to the principal so that principal also knows that yes, the so and so child could not take the class due to these reasons, right? So when we have PTM, we can convey it to your parents also. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So in future, any problems like this, do write it, give it in writing so that I have with me, even the principal has it with him. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Fine. Very good.
Ma'am, can we get to know our syllabus?
But you will be, syllabus will be shared with you all. Don't you worry for that.
But ma'am, can you tell us now, please?
See, as per my knowledge, whatever you have done till now, you prepare that. You will come to know that what is coming, what is not coming. For civics, for my particular subject, civics, you may get two chapters. Rest, history and geography, you will have one chapters, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And for economics, you can ask Raman sir. हाँ जी धनंजय.
Ma'am, can we send our work?
बेटा वर्क आपको भी नहीं भेजना है, आपको वर्क स्कूल में सबमिट करना है नोटबुक्स के समेत, ठीक है? क्योंकि इस बार हाँ सीबीएसई ने बहुत क्लियरली कह दिया है कि रिटर्न वर्क आपका वहां पे जाएगा. जो भी हम क्लास में आपसे शेयर करने के लिए कहते हैं ग्रुप में, वो भी आपको रिटर्न में अपने पास भी रखना है. और अगर ग्रुप पे शेयर करने के लिए कहा जाता है, यू नीड टू शेयर इट ऑन द क्लास ग्रुप एज वेल, राइट?
ओके मैम. मैम पर आपने कही थी ना मंडे को, मतलब आप पीडीएफ बना के भेजेंगे.
धनंजय भाई प्लीज मान जाए यार, अब कॉपी स्कूल में सबमिट करनी है, मैम ने क्लियरली बता दिया.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है हसीन. ओके फाइन. वो आई गॉट व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग, व्हाट ही इज टेलिंग मी. वो उस दिन हमने कुछ वर्कशीट करी थी, उसके लिए तो कह रहे हो बेटा आप?
नो मैम, अपने वर्क के लिए भी कही थी.
नहीं थे वर्क तो बेटा, अब वर्क तो वहां पे मिलेगा ना, क्लास स्कूल में ही आपको सबमिट करना होगा, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
आई थॉट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट वर्कशीट वाला थिंग. हाउ इज मले डूइंग?
Ma'am, very good.
Fine. I think Saturday you did not do your classes, or you did?
Ma'am, Saturday?
Yes.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I go through the recordings.
Okay, your eyes were having some problem, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Do take proper care, beta. Okay. Chalo, fine. Very good. Can you tell me what we were exactly, which topic we were doing in geography? Class?
Ma'am, we have to start from conservation of minerals.
Okay, what about A section? विवान यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल. आपको जो भी बोलना है बच्चे, विवान आप मैसेज कर दो. विवान आप चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज कर दो हमको बच्चे. अगर आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल बहुत बहुत ज्यादा ब्रेक होके आ रही है, ठीक है? तो आप हमें मैसेज जो है चैट बॉक्स में कर दो, जो भी आप पूछना चाहते हो. हाँ जी. सेक्शन ए. भूमिका पटेल, सॉरी भूमिका चंदानी. भूमिका चंदानी. अच्छा, ओके विवान, आई विल शेयर दैट. बेटा ये मोहम्मद शोएब, how come he is taking entry?
Ma'am, I told him about the classes.
No, but then he cannot come to the class until he submits the fees.
अच्छा.
His fees is not submitted, so he cannot take the classes. You told him that is fine, but I told you no that give me his number where I can speak to him directly.
Okay, ma'am, ma'am, I am sharing now.
नहीं, it's okay. अब बाद में कर लीजिएगा, अभी क्लास हो जाए उसके बाद. Vivan, can you see the screen? बेटा 10th के बच्चे कहाँ हैं? I cannot hear anybody.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा हमें बताओ उस दिन हमने क्या करा था?
मैम रीडिंग पार्ट हो रहा है.
नहीं बेटा, रीडिंग पार्ट हो रहा था वो तो ठीक है सचिन, बट कौन से पार्ट को हम रीड आउट कर रहे थे?
Ma'am, I have shared the number of students.
अच्छा, I'll check it. Don't worry, I'll check it. पहले आप हमें बताओ सचिन, हम कहाँ पढ़ रहे थे? आई थिंक हैजार्ड्स ऑफ माइनिंग हमने कर लिया था.
Yes,
हम लोग कंजर्वेशन वाले पार्ट को भी, हम लोग कंजर्वेशन पे आ गए थे आई बिलीव, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब हम दोनों क्लासेस में सेम टॉपिक्स पे चल रहे हैं. कंजर्वेशन ऑफ, यहाँ पे नहीं, कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मिनरल्स. ठीक है श्रेया, दिस वन ओनली नो?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, fine. See, this topic is not a very new topic to you people, because in your previous classes also you have read about this, especially talking about class 8. So we'll go for a continuous reading, and let me know everything that you are not able to understand in between, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Just a second. कहाँ गया मेरा? Okay. Can we have Akshat Sharma reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Read. Conservation of minerals.
Conservation of minerals. We all appreciate the strong dependence of industry and agriculture upon mineral deposits and the substance manufactured from them. The total volume of workable
substances manufactured from them.
The total volume of workable mineral deposits in an insignificant fraction, i.e., 1% of the Earth's
that is, i.e. is yes. That is. हाँ. हाँ.
We are rapidly
पढ़ो. पढ़ो बेटा.
We are rapidly consuming minerals resources that required millions of years to be created and concentrated. The geological process of mineral formation are so slow that the rates of replenishment are infinitely small in
wait. क्या हो रहा है? हाँ, यहीं पे तो पढ़ रहे हो आप. पढ़ो बेटा. अक्षत पढ़ो बेटा.
Comparison to the present rates of consumption, mineral resources are therefore finite and non-renewable. It's not over.
Here?
Yes, ma'am.
Carry on, carry on.
Rich mineral deposits are our country's extremely valuable but short-lived possession. Continued extraction of ores leads to increasing costs as mineral extraction comes from greater depth along with decrease in quality.
Anything in this to be explained? They are simply telling you that because mineral resources are limited, we need to ensure that we use them in such a manner that we make maximum utilization of every mineral that we have with us, right? Class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please explain this time, ma'am. Rich minerals deposits are in our country extremely valuable but short-lived possessions.
Where it is written? Okay.
Ma'am, the last line which Akshat read.
Just a second, just a second. Our country is extremely valuable but short-lived possessions. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second, beta. ठीक है. ठीक है. They are saying that mineral resources are therefore finite. Finite का मतलब क्या होता है? Which are limited in numbers, not unlimited. ठीक है. Non-renewable. We all know that the mineral resources that we are using for our industrial uses, or for the agricultural part, or for other industrial uses, they are not renewable. Though they are renewable, but then not in a short span of time. We can have them only after a certain duration of time. So the resources deposits that the mineral deposits that we have, they are limited, plus they are non-renewable, right? Country, we have rich mineral deposits, but these rich mineral deposits that we have, they are short-lived possessions. Short-lived possession means जो कि बहुत लाइफ लॉन्ग हमारे साथ नहीं रहने वाले हैं. शॉर्ट लिव्ड का मतलब ये होता है द मोमेंट दे आर एक्सट्रैक्टेड, द मोमेंट दे आर यूज्ड फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल यूजेस, देयर लाइफ इज ओवर. Then for new usages, we need to extract more minerals. तो इनकी जो लाइफ होती है वो तभी तक होती है जब तक इनको हम एक्सप्लॉइट करके इनको एक्सप्लॉइट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Until the time we are not exploiting them, तब तक ये हमारे साथ as a rich resource हैं. But the moment we use them, they become short-lived. They become over. We have exploited. They are of no use to us then, right? जो उसके remains होते हैं, जो उसके वेस्ट होते हैं, वो हमारे किसी काम के नहीं होते हैं. तो इसीलिए वो कह रहा है कि जो रिसोर्सेज, जो डिपॉजिट्स हमारे पास हैं, वो लिमिटेड नंबर्स में हैं. सो वी नीड टू बी केयरफुल व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग दीज रिसोर्सेज. ठीक है. पोजेशंस जो होती हैं हमारे पास, जो हमारे जो धरोहर जिसको हम बोलते हैं, या जिसको हम अपने एसेट्स बोलते हैं, जनरली वो लाइफ लॉन्ग होते हैं. ठीक है. बट अगर हम मिनरल डिपॉजिट्स की बात करते हैं तो दे आर शॉर्ट लिव्ड, मतलब वो लंबे समय तक हमारे साथ नहीं चल पाएंगे, क्योंकि कभी ना कभी तो उन्हें हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे ही, और जैसे ही हमने उन्हें इस्तेमाल करा उनकी लाइफ खत्म. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Anything else to be explained over here?
No, ma'am.
चलिए. Fine. Do we have Abhyuday in the class? Abhyuday, are you there? Abhyuday? Abhyuday, are you there or not? There is no point keeping you in the class then if you are not there. Chalo. Abhinav Pandey. Abhinav Pandey. Abhinav, are you there? Zainab?
Yes, ma'am.
Zainab?
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो बेटा.
Okay, ma'am. A concerted effort has to be made in order to use our mineral resources in a planned and sustainable manner. Improved technologies need to be constantly evolved to allow use of low-grade ores at low cost. Recycling of metals using scrap metals and other substitutes are steps in conserving our mineral resources for the future. Energy resources. Energy is required for all activities. It is needed to cook, to provide light and heat, to propel vehicles, and to drive mechanically in industries. Energy can be generated from fuel minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, uranium, and from electricity. Ma'am, please.
Carry on.
Energy resources can be classified as conventional and non-conventional resources. Conventional sources include firewood, cattle dung, cake, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and electricity, both hydel and thermal. Non-conventional sources include solar, wind, tidal, geothermal sources, biogas, and atomic energy. Firewood and cattle dung cake are most common in rural areas. According to one estimate, more than 70% energy requirement in rural households is met by these two. Continuation of these is increasingly becoming difficult due to decreasing forest area. Moreover, using dung cake too is being discouraged because it consumes more valuable manure which could be used in agriculture.
Okay,
Time of beauty.
Wait. Anything in this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
All clear?
No, ma'am.
Fine. Can we have Swali reading conventional sources of energy?
Conventional resources of energy. Coal. In India, coal is the most abundantly available fossil fuel. It provides a substantial part of the nation's energy needs. It is used for power generation, to supply energy to industry as well as for domestic needs. India is highly dependent on coal for meeting its commercial energy requirements. As you are already aware that coal is formed due to the compression of plants material over millions of years. Coal therefore is found in a variety of forms depending on the degrees of compression and the depth and time of
burial, B-U-R-I-L.
Burial decaying plants in swamps produce peat, which has a low carbon and high moisture contents and low heating capacity. Lignite is a low-grade brown coal which is soft with high moisture content.
Fine, Swali, fine. Can we have Dhananjay reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything in this not understood?
No, ma'am.
Okay. See, lignite, bituminous, and anthracite, these are the three varieties of coal that is used for different purposes. You may get questions of 1 mark or 3 marks from these types of coal that are given, the quality that is given, usage, and the availability, right? You may underline
Yes,
this
ma'am.
or you may highlight this. Okay, fine, class. Dhananjay, read beta.
Can you tell the line?
Hanji,
Can you tell the line?
were you not attentive when she was reading? Read from lignite.
Okay, ma'am. Lignite is a low-grade brown coal which is soft with high moisture content. The principal lignite reserved are in
Neyveli.
Neyveli in Tamil Nadu and are used for generation of electricity. Coal, coal that has been burned.
Buried.
What is this?
Buried and subjected
Buried
to.
deep and subjected.
Buried and subjected to.
Ma'am, is it written deep?
कहाँ पे बेटा? Buried deep. Okay, deep.
Buried deep and subjected to increased temperature is
bituminous coal.
Bituminous coal. It is the most popular coal in commercial use. Metallurgical coal is a high grade
Bituminous coal. It is the most popular commercial use. Metallurgical coal is high grade. Metallurgical coal. Metallurgical coal वो होता है जो कि आपकी मेटल इंडस्ट्रीज में यूज होता है. ठीक है बेटा? Carry on, Dhananjay.
Metallurgical coal is a highly bituminous coal which
पढ़ो बेटा. पढ़ो बेटा. धनंजय. चलो अक्षदा, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read beta Aksada. Read from after bituminous coal.
Okay, ma'am. It is the most popular coal in commercial use. Metallurgical coal is high-grade bituminous coal, which has a special value for smelting iron in blast furnaces. Anthracite is the highest quality hard coal. In India, coal occurs in rock series of two main geological ages, namely Gondwana, a little over 200 million years in age, and in tertiary deposits, which are only about 55 million years old. The major resources of Gondwana coal, which are metallurgical coal, are located in Damodar Valley, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Jharia, Raniganj, Bokara are important coal fields. The Godavari, Mahanadi, Son and Wardha valleys also contain coal deposits. Tertiary coals occur in the northeastern states of Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. Remember, coal is a bulky material which loses weight on use as it is reduced to ash. Hence, heavy industries and thermal power stations are located on or near the coal fields. I'm done.
Okay. Anything in this to be explained, beta?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Can we have Agrim reading? And after Agrim, Shoaib will read, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji Agrim.
Yes, ma'am. Petroleum. Petroleum or mineral oil is the next major energy source in India after coal. It provides fuel for heat and lighting. lubricants for machinery, and raw materials for a number of manufacturing industries. Petroleum refineries act as a nodal industry for synthetic textile, fertilizer, and numerous chemical industries. Most of the petroleum occurrences in India are associated with anticlines. Ma'am, what is this? Anticlines?
कहाँ पे लिखा है बेटा?
Ma'am, second paragraph, second line.
एंटीक्लाइंस बेटा, ये रिजेस और जो फोल्ड्स होते हैं ना स्ट्रेटिफाइड रॉक्स की, उनको बोलते हैं बेटा.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, जो आपके जो पेट्रोल होता है वो आपका सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स में मिलता है. सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स आर स्ट्रेटिफाइड रॉक्स, तो उनको बोलते हैं ये एंटीक्लाइंस जो होते हैं. ठीक है.
ओके मैम. And fall traps in the rock formation of the tertiary age. In regions of folding, anticlines, or domes, it occurs where oil is trapped in the crest of the uphold. The oil-bearing layer is a porous limestone or sandstone through which oil may flow. The oil is prevented from rising or sinking by intervening non-porous layers. Petroleum is also...
पोरस लेयर्स क्या होती हैं? एवरीबॉडी नोज.
यस मैम.
जिसमें इजीली पानी चला जाता है. ठीक है, यही तो होती है.
यस मैम.
और नॉन पोरस लेयर्स क्या हुई? जिनमें पानी इजीली नहीं जा सकता है. ठीक है.
यस मैम.
ओके, व्हाट इज अ फॉल्ट ट्रैप? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी? हाँ, फॉल्ट ट्रैप्स क्या होते हैं क्लास? बेटा फॉल्ट ट्रैप्स जो होते हैं ना विवान, बेटा ये वो होते हैं जब जियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस चल रहे थे. जब आपने क्लास 9 में जियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस के जियोलॉजिकल एज के बारे में पढ़ा है, कैसे गोंडवाना लैंड बना, फिर गोंडवाना लैंड से के बाद टितीस सी हुई, टितीस सी से जो है आपका नॉर्दर्न प्लेन बन के आया. ये पढ़ा है ना आपने क्लास 9 में बच्चे?
यस मैम.
यस मैम.
तो कह रहा है ये फॉल्ट ट्रैप्स जो होते हैं ये वो जियोलॉजिकल फॉर्मेशन का पार्ट होते हैं, जिनमें कि ऑयल या जो गैस जो होते हैं वो पोरस सेक्शन में रॉक के अंदर ट्रैप हो जाते हैं. ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, क्लियर बेटा?
यस मैम.
वेरी गुड. चलिए नेक्स्ट, कैरी ऑन अग्रिम.
Petroleum is also found in fault traps between porous and non-porous rocks. Gas, being lighter, usually occurs above the oil. About 63% of India's petroleum production is from Mumbai High, 18% from Gujarat, and 16% from Assam.
बेटा अब ना सुनो, ये जो लाइन अभी आपने पढ़ी है ये अभी न्यू वाले बुक्स के एडिशन में डिलीटेड है. ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
ये मुंबई हाई, गुजरात, असम और मेजर पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्शन एरियाज इन इंडिया, बस ये बताया गया इसमें. ठीक है, परसेंटेज नहीं दिया है इसकी. ओके.
ओके मैम.
चलो कैरी ऑन.
Ankleshwar is the most important field of Gujarat. Assam is the oldest oil producing state of India. Digboi, Neharkatia, and Moran Hugrijan are the important oil fields.
ये क्या हुआ? Which language was this? I don't understand. It is fine. Okay. Coming to natural gas. Can we have Malay reading?
Yes.
नहीं रुको, हमने हसीन को बोला था. मलय रुको, हसीन को बोला था. हसीन कैरी ऑन.
ओके मैम. मैम शोएब को बोला था वैसे.
किसको बोला था?
यस मैम.
शोएब बोला था. एक्चुअली वो मीटिंग में, ही इज इन द मीटिंग रूम, ही इज वेटिंग फॉर मी टू टेक हिम इनसाइड, बट आई कैन नॉट. द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट, तो वो हो सकता है उसका नाम निकल गया और नहीं, बट हसीन हैज टू रीड. हसीन रीड, कैरी ऑन.
Okay. Natural gas is an important clean energy resource found in an association or with or without petroleum. It is used as a source of energy as well as an industrial raw material in the petrochemical industry. Natural gases is considered an environment friendly fuel because of low carbon dioxide.
हाँ जी पढ़ो अच्छा स्क्रॉल करें.
Because of low carbon dioxide emissions and is therefore the fuel for the present country.
हाँ बेटा ये listen this paragraph is very important because you get a question that why natural gas is considered an environment friendly fuel. Underline this line and may write this question over there. Okay. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
Large reserves of natural gases has been discovered in the Krishna Godavari basin and along with the west coast. The reserves of the Mumbai High and aligned fields are supplemented by find in the Gulf of Cambay, Andaman and Nicobar Island.
मैम थोड़े पैसे अपनी वॉइस क्वालिटी में लगा लो.
Are also important areas have.
कौन बोल रहा है? क्या था बेटा?
मैम मैं नहीं हूँ, ये कोई और है.
कौन था? किसने बोला?
मैम डोंट नो.
मैम आर्यन सिंह.
मैम आर्यन सिंह.
Aryan Singh.
Where is Aryan? Beta Aryan, are you there? दीवान आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो बच्चे. आपकी आवाज तो ऐसे शेक करते हुए आ रही है कि मुझे घबराहट हो रही है बहुत ज्यादा. आर्यन सिंह. काव्यांश बोलो.
मैम आर्यन सिंह लेफ्ट द मीटिंग.
बड़े नालायक बच्चे हैं सच में. मतलब दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. ये मतलब डेकोरम कुछ है ही नहीं. चलो कोई नहीं. चलो कैरी ऑन. हसीन.
Andaman and Nicobar Island are also important areas having large reserves of natural gases. The 1,700 kilometer long Hazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur across country gas pipelines links Mumbai High and Basin with the fertilizer power and industrial complexes in the western and the northern India. This artery has provided an impetus to India's gas production. The power and fertilizer industries are the key users of natural gas. The use of compressed natural gas (CNG) for vehicles to replace liquid fuels is gained wide popularity in the country.
ठीक है बेटा. Up till here anything that is not clear or understood?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
One thing I want to tell you. See this whole paragraph that he has read about petroleum. See this last paragraph is also important. Reason being, they may ask you 1 mark questions which having done course. अच्छा ठीक है. Dhananjay has given answer. Okay. Read it Dhananjay. Okay. This whole thing is important. You may be asked 1 mark questions or 3 marks questions. Right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, up till here, anything not clear or understood?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
चलिए अब हम आ जाते हैं. हमारे पास टाइम बहुत कम बचा है तो हम जल्दी से रैपिड फायर खेल ले थोड़ा सा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Which is the next energy resource in India after coal? Malay?
Petroleum.
Petroleum. Very good.